Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you achieve financial freedom. In this video, we're going to discuss a crucial aspect of managing your money, creating a budget and sticking to it. We'll cover everything from the basics of budgeting to practical tips for staying on track. So make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss any of our future content. Section 1. Why budgeting is important. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of budgeting, let's first discuss why it's so important. A budget helps you understand where your money is going and helps you prioritize your spending. By creating a budget, you can see how much you're spending on essentials like rent, bills, and groceries, and how much you're spending on discretionary items like entertainment and shopping. With this information, you can make informed decisions about where to cut back and where to allocate more funds. Plus, a budget helps you save for the future, whether it's an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or retirement. Section 2. How to create a budget. Now that we know why budgeting is important, let's dive into how to create a budget. Start by gathering all of your financial statements, including bank statements, credit card statements, and any bills. Next, categorize your spending into fixed expenses, like rent and car payments, and variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. Once you have a clear understanding of where your money is going, determine your monthly income and subtract your expenses. This will give you your discretionary income, which you can allocate towards your savings and debt repayment goals. There are many tools available to help you create a budget, including spreadsheets and budgeting apps. Find the method that works best for you, whether it's a pen and paper or a digital tool. Be sure to track your spending regularly so you can make adjustments as necessary. Section 3. Tips for sticking to your budget. Creating a budget is just the first step. Sticking to it is the real challenge. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Set realistic goals. Make sure your budget is achievable and fits with your lifestyle. If you're spending too much on dining out, for example, consider cutting back gradually instead of eliminating it entirely. Create a buffer. Unexpected expenses are bound to come up, so make sure to include a buffer in your budget to cover these costs. Use cash. Using cash instead of a credit card can help you stick to your budget, since you'll be more aware of how much you're spending. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you won't have to think about it and your savings will grow over time. Review your budget regularly. Make sure to review your budget every few months to make sure it's still working for you. Adjust as necessary. And there you have it. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. Remember to set realistic goals, create a buffer, use cash, automate your savings, and review your budget regularly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more financial tips and tricks.